Introducing the 2008 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.